Welcome to my channel Travel Guide. Boeing 777-10 explained, the next big thing? The Boeing 777-10 remains an unreleased concept in 2025, a proposed stretch of the 777X family that has sparked interest but not progressed to production. Envisioned as a high-capacity, twin-engine jet to compete with the Airbus A350 and serve as a successor to the Boeing 747, the 777-10 has been discussed as a potential game-changer for airlines needing large aircraft for high-density routes. Below are 10 key points about the Boeing 777-10's status, design, and challenges in 2025, drawing on available information and critical analysis. 1. Conceptual design and purpose. The 777-10 was conceived as a stretched version of the 777-9, the largest variant in Boeing's 777X family. It would extend the fuselage to accommodate around 450 passengers in a typical configuration, surpassing the 777-9's 426 passenger capacity. The goal was to offer a high-capacity, fuel-efficient twin-engine jet to replace four-engine aircraft like the A380 and 747, aligning with market shifts toward more economical twin jets for long-haul routes. 2. Market context. The 777-10 emerged from Boeing's aim to address airlines' needs for large aircraft on high-demand routes, particularly for carriers like Emirates, which operates dense hub-and-spoke models. However, the market for ultra-large aircraft has dwindled, as seen with the A380's production halt due to high operating costs and limited airport compatibility. This trend has made airlines favor smaller, more flexible jets, reducing the 777-10's appeal. 3. Emirates Influence. Emirates, the largest 777X customer with 205 orders, has been the primary advocate for the 777-10. The airline sought a replacement for its A380 fleet, valuing the 777-10's potential to offer a 380-like capacity with twin-engine efficiency. Despite Emirates' push, few other airlines have shown interest, limiting the program's momentum. 4. Technical feasibility. Boeing confirmed the 777-10's technical viability in 2016, stating it could be developed by further stretching the 777-9's fuselage by about 4 rows. It would retain the 777X's advanced features, including GE9X engines, composite wings with folding wingtips, and a 787-inspired cabin. These would ensure fuel efficiency and airport compatibility, with the folding wingtips keeping the wingspan under 65 meters for standard gates. 5. Challenges to launch. Despite its feasibility, the 777-10 has not been launched due to several factors. Boeing's focus has been on certifying the 777-9, which faced delays from 2020 to 2026 due to structural issues and regulatory hurdles. Financial pressures from a machinist strike and 737 MAX setbacks have further constrained Boeing's ability to invest in new programs. The niche market for a 450-seat jet also poses risks, as seen with the A380's commercial struggles. 6. Comparison to 777-9. The 777-10 would build on the 777-9, which has a 76.72-meter fuselage, a 7,285 nautical mile range, and seats 426 passengers. The 777-10's longer fuselage would increase capacity but likely reduce range slightly, similar to the 777-9 versus the 777-8's a range capacity trade-off, 8,745 nautical miles for 395 passengers. Both would share the GE9X engine, offering 10% better fuel efficiency than the 777-300's GE90. 7. Airline interest and orders. As of 2025, no firm orders exist for the 777-10, unlike the 777X family, which has 551 orders, 383 for 777-9, 43 for 777-8, 55 for 777-8F. Emirates' interest remains speculative, and other major carriers like Qatar Airways and Cathay Pacific have prioritized 777-9 orders. The lack of broad customer commitment has kept the 777-10 on hold. 8 regulatory and certification hurdles the 777X program's delays, including a grounding in 2024 due to engine mounting issues, highlight Boeing's certification challenges. The 777-9 is on track for 2026 delivery, but adding a new variant like the 777-10 would require additional testing, further straining Boeing's resources and timeline. 9 strategic priorities. Boeing's focus in 2025 is on stabilizing existing programs, including the 777-9, 737 MAX, and 777-8F, delayed to 2028. The company is also exploring a middle-of-the-market aircraft, which may take precedence over the 777-10 due to broader demand for smaller, versatile jets. This strategic shift reflects market trends favoring point-to-point travel over hub-based models. 10 future prospects. The 777-10 remains a low-priority concept in 2025, with no clear launch timeline. While technically feasible, its niche market, high development costs, and Boeing's current challenges make it unlikely to materialize soon. If launched, it could enter service by the late 2020s, but only if demand for ultra-large twinjets grows significantly. For now, Boeing is prioritizing the 777-9's certification and delivery to customers like Lufthansa in 2026. In summary, the Boeing 777-10 is a compelling but unbuilt concept, constrained by market dynamics, financial pressures, and Boeing's focus on existing programs. Its potential to fill the gap left by the A380 and 747 exists, but without broader airline interest or strategic shifts, it remains a distant prospect in 2025. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.